What is up, guys? My name is Jhalisa John, and you're in the right place if you're looking to get more eyeballs on your business. More specifically, if you're looking to get more people to view your Instagram profile, then you should continue watching this video. Speaking of Instagram, take 2 seconds to follow me on Instagram right now at Jhalisa John Company, because I share only the best content on how to use social media for business using personal branding, storytelling, and content marketing. Now, if you guys are done following me, let's dive into this video. Now, the quickest and easiest way to get more profile views on Instagram is to change your name. Not your username, but the name on your profile. So if we look at a typical Instagram profile, it's made up of 4 sections. And those sections are your name, your username, your website, and your bio. On Instagram, your name and username are both searchable. That means people can find you by searching for your name or your username. So an easy way to get more profile views is to hack your name on Instagram by using keywords. And there are 3 types of keywords I want to talk to you about in this video. The first type of keyword is a location-based keyword, and this keyword basically lets people know what city, country, or state your business is located in. So for example, you can see on my business Senior Data Exchange, in the name section I included Trinidad and Tobago as my name. So anyone searching for Trinidad and Tobago on Instagram is going to find me. I'm going to pop up as one of the results under accounts. And this is how you hack the name on your Instagram profile, by using a location-based keyword. So my suggestion to you is to include the city, country, state, or region where your business is located in your Instagram profile name. The second type of keyword you can use in your profile name on Instagram is a topic-based keyword. So this basically lets people know what type of content you post or what you plan to talk about on your profile. So for example, you would see people have Instagram growth or career tips as their name on Instagram, followed by the name of their business in an abbreviated form. This is because if anyone is looking for Instagram growth tips or business hacks or career tips or whatever topic it is that you talk about, your profile is going to show up. The third type of keyword, let's call it a category-based keyword. And this basically tells people the type of business you have or your profession or the industry you're in. So let's look at some examples. So here you could put things like sales trainer, or like me, marketing consultant, or you could put something like bike shop or restaurant. And again, if people search for these things on Instagram, your business will appear. So my advice to you is to look at these 3 types of keywords and decide which one is best for you. And then hack your Instagram profile name by including these keywords in your profile name, so that when people search for you, your profile is going to show up, and so your views are going to increase. And then a few of those people who view your Instagram profile, let's say that they like what they see, they're going to convert into followers. So to find a keyword that best suits you, my suggestion is to think about your target audience and the words they might use to find a business like yours on Instagram. When you find your keyword, put it as your profile name on Instagram, and over time you'll notice that your profile views increase. And that is how you hack your Instagram name to increase profile views. It's as simple as changing your name and adding keywords. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jhalisa John Company. And I'll see you in my next video.